सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांतिः। नाम संकीर्तनं यस्य सर्वपापप्रणाशनं प्रणामो दुःखशमनस्तं नमामि हरिं परं। नमस्कार, स्वागतम्। जानन्ति भवन्तः अस्माभिः भगवद्गीता संग्रहः पठ्यमानः अस्ति। संग्रहे एतावत्पर्यन्तम् अस्मिन् पुस्तके षट् श्लोकाः पठिताः अस्माभिः। केवलं षट् श्लोकाः चतुर्थ अध्याये। षष्ठश्लोकः तु वास्तविकरूपेण तत्र त्रयोदशमः श्लोकः, त्रयोदशमः श्लोकः गीतायाः। तस्य अन्वयार्थः अपि पठितः इति मन्ये। मया गुणकर्मविभाग चातुर्वर्ण्यं मया सृष्टं गुणकर्मविभागशः इति अयं श्लोकः। तस्य अन्वयार्थः पठितः, पदार्थः द्रष्टव्यः अस्ति। श्रीनिवास, पदार्थं पठतु। मया
भगवता कृष्णेन
अत्र गीता प्रवक्ता स्वयं नारायणः भगवान् श्रीकृष्णः मया इति अस्मत् शब्दस्य प्रयोगः। अयं शब्दः तमेव सूचयति। भगवता श्रीकृष्णेन स्वयं नारायणेन गुणकर्म विभागशः
सत्त्वादिगुणानां शमादिकर्मणां च विभाजनं।
जानन्ति वयं सर्वेपि तत्र गुणाः त्रयः सन्ति। सत्त्वरजस्तमो गुणाः एवं शमदमादि। शम किं, शम नाम किं, दम नाम किम् इतः पूर्वं बहुवारं वयं स्मृतवन्तः। अन्तःकरणनिग्रहः शमः, बाह्येन्द्रियनिग्रहः दमः इति कर्मणां च विभागेन। एतद् चातुर्वर्ण्यं गुणविभागेन कर्मविभागेन, गुणविभागशः कर्मविभागशः सृष्टमस्ति। न केनापि मनुष्येन जीवेन सृष्टं, स्वयं भगवता नारायणेन श्रीकृष्णेन एव सृष्टं। स एव अत्र प्रमाणं। मया सृष्टमिति भगवता उक्तमस्ति अत्र। केन आधारेण? गुणविभागशः कर्मविभागशः। गुणान् आधारीकृत्य, सत्त्व रज तमो गुणान् आधारीकृत्य एवमेव तान् गुणान् अनुसृत्य यानि यानि कर्माणि भवन्ति तानि आधारीकृत्य तत्र वर्णव्यवस्था कृता मया इति। विभागशः चातुर्वर्ण्यं सोर्। ओके।
ब्राह्मणादयः चत्वारो वर्णाः।
ब्राह्मणो अस्य मुखमासीत् बाहुराजन्यकृतः इति यत् वेद कथयति ऋग्वेदः। पद्भ्यां शूद्रो अजायते इति। तत्र वेदपुरुषस्य चत्वारि अङ्गानि, तत्र चतुर्णां वर्णानां तत्र आकारः तत्र प्रपञ्चीकृतः। ब्राह्मणः मुखप्रधानः, अतः मुखतः, वेदपुरुषस्य मुखतः उत्पन्नः। बाहुराजन्यकृतः, क्षत्रियः तत्र रक्षणप्रधानं, तस्य रक्षण एव तस्य, अतः बाहुभ्यां क्षत्रिय उत्पन्नः। ऊरुभ्यां तत्र अयं तत्र उदरभागात् वैश्यः उत्पन्नः, यतोहि वैश्यानां वृत्तिः एवमेव भवति। पद्भ्यां शूद्रः जायते, पादाभ्यां तत्र पद्भ्यां शूद्रः जायते इति समाज सम्यक् चालनार्थम् अथवा एतादृशी व्यवस्था अत्यन्तम् आवश्यकी इति वेदः सूचयति। दिस् इस् वेरी वेरी beautiful concept that is there in the Veda. To run the society properly, we need 4 organs of society, and these 4 organs are referred to here in the Veda as the 4 caste system. Brahmana is any intellectual person who guides the society. Kshatriya is any person who is in security, who is there in the protection of the state. Either he could be a military man or a cop in the city, police person. Anyone who is involved in the protection of the people is Kshatriya. And whoever has got the talent, that qualification, he is automatically a Kshatriya. And whoever is interested and has got the talent to run the business of, so he is a Vaishya. And whoever has none of the above qualities, Brahmana guna, Kshatriya guna, Vaishya guna, he is automatically a Shudra, unskilled laborer, unqualified, unskilled laborer. All are equally important. This I have made it very clear that to run the society, if you imagine like a Veda Purusha, like a human body, we cannot say legs are not important, I will amputate my legs. Society will become crippled. Society, there will be no development without the Shudra. Shudras are the people who are building the society. They are the builders. On them is the society dependent. Like on legs the body stands. On the Shudras the entire society. So how can we disrespect any organ of the body? They are all for the body. Equally important for the sustenance, maintenance of the body. And body should be understood as society. That is the original way we should understand. Unfortunately, our politicians are playing football with caste system in India. And they create problems in the name of the caste and then take advantage of it. So here also Gita comes very, very clearly. Guna karma vibhagashaha, only on the qualities. Sattva raja samasi. Sattva pradana brahmanaha, sattva raja pradana kshatriyaha, raja tamo pradana vaishya, tamo pradana shudraha. That is what the interpretations we have seen. We can also read from the quotation. Srustam utpaditam tasya
chaturvarnasya
kartaram nirmataram srastharam api
samuchchaye
mam
bhagavantam shrikrishnam
avyayam sravanashadi
nashadi
akartaram
anirmataram
nirmataram anirmataram asrastharam vidhi janihi. This we have already indicated, shown this lot lakara vidhi in the note. Vedtu, vittat, vidantu, etc. So here I may read a little of the Madhusudana Saraswati's commentary, because we have already done in another class Shankara's commentary. Gita has been taught already. Chatvaro varna eva chaturvarnyam swarteshan maya ishvarena srustam utpaditam gunakarma vibhagashaha karma vibhagashascha tatahi sattva pradhana brahmanaha tesham cha satvikani shamadamadi karmani. So what are the karmas of the brahmanas? Sattva pradhana. What is dominant among the brahmana is sattva, and therefore their qualities are like this: shamadama, etc. Sattvopasarjana rajapradhanaha kshatriya. And what are kshatriya? In kshatriyas, rajas is predominant, sattva is not that dominant. Sattva and rajas also there. So they are satvikani, okay. Sattvopasarjana rajapradhanaha kshatriyaha tesham cha tadrushani shaurya tejaha pradhanani karmani. What are the actions, qualities, actions of the kshatriyas? Shaurya tejas. Because rajas is pradhana there and sattva becomes subservient. Tama upasarjana pradhanaha vaishyaha tesham cha krutyadini karmani. So vaishyas, when it comes to the merchant community, their dominance is the tamas, and also rajas is dominant there. Tama upasarjana raja pradhana. So tamas will be there but in a subordinate way, but rajas will be there. So vaishyaha tesham cha krutyadini. So agriculture, etc., they are main profession. Tamaha pradhanaha shudraha. So shudras are the people in whom predominance of tamas is there. Tamas, you can understand, tamas is lethargy, you can say, or ignorance, anything. anything connected with laziness, etc., that is tamas. So tama pradhanaah shudraah tesham tamasani traivarnika Susrushadini. So they are meant for serving the three bodies of the society, namely the Vaishya, the Kshatriya and the Brahmana. Just like it is all one body only. Nothing to hate, nothing to love, we are all one actually. When this concept is understood in this way, there will be no problem in India. Caste system. It cannot be dispensed with. It has to be there for the well-being of the society. So that is what the Traivarnika Susrushadini Karmani iti Manushe Loke Vyavasthitani. These are all established by a divine law, these four caste system, and therefore please try to understand that is what they say. You better know them. Then Bhavartha Srinivas, you can read.
Loke Sakama Nishkamataya Karma Vaichitriyam Drishyate.
Then one more I remember, he asked us a definition, I think my teacher used to tell me. Varna Shabda is there. Chatur Varnyam, Chatvaro Varna, Chatur Varnyam Shanit. Varnaha Vrunutehe. The Vyutpatti of Varna Shabda is Vrunute, going to select. So originally the Varna system is that a man selects his profession. Now we have so many Varnas like software Varna. Hardware is another Varna. So Varnaha Vrunutehe, by choice you select, you have the talent, you belong to that category. So why? It is very simple. Why should we quarrel over this issue? That is what. Loke Sakama Nishkamataya Karma Vaichitriam Drishyate. There is a variety of actions seen in the world. Karma Vaichitriam. Sakama Nishkamataya. Because of this Sakama and Nishkama. Some people are doing with ulterior motive and some do not have that motive.
Pradrusha
Vibhinna
Karma Kartrunamapi Uttama Madhyamadi Bhedaha Shruyate.
Tadrusha Vibhinna Karma Kartrunam. Among the various people working with such desires, we find Uttama Madhyamadi Bhedaha Shruyate. So we listen among such people with a variety of actions doing, and people doing actions with ulterior motive, people doing action without ulterior motive. We come across this Uttama Madhyama, the best, the middle and the lowest, etc. Evamcha
Karma Vaichitriyasya Kartru Vaichitriyasya
Rachayitari
Bhagavati Api Drushti Vaichitriyam Avashyam Syat Ityashankayam Bhagavan Arjunam Uvacha.
So Evamcha, similarly Karma Vaichitriyasya, there is already Karma Vaichitriya, variety of karma. Kartru Vaichitriyasya, and also there is a variety of action also. There is variety of karma, there is variety among the doers, Kartru. Doers, there is a variety because there is a variety in the karma actions. Rachayitari, because the creator, Rachayitru Shabda, Rachayitari Saptami, because the creator has created so many actions, so many people, Rachayitari Bhagavati Api, even in him, even in the creator who has created so many varieties, Drushti Vaichitriam Avashyam Syat, there must be a variety of his vision. He must be having a variety of outlook. Drushti Vaichitriam Avashyam Syad iti. That means God has a different, also a variety of vision to create so many varieties. That with that doubt, iti ashankayam Bhagavan. So suspecting this doubt that God also is partial and he is creating so many varieties of people and so many varieties of actions. With that doubt, Bhagavan, Arjunam, he is telling Arjuna, you can. So he says Sattvadi Guneshu, Sattva Rajastamadi Guneshu, Shamadama Shauryadi, Shamadama Sattva Gunas, Shaurya is in the case of the Kshatriya, Then just now I read the commentary and other things in the Kshatriya and Vaishya and Shudra Karma Sucha, Parasparam Bheda. There is a mutual difference with regard to the qualities of these. Yeah.
तादृशैः भेदमूलकैः विभागैः एव अहं चतुरः वर्णान् सृष्टवान्.
Because of the various the natural qualities that are found with those tadrushaihi bheda mulakaihi, basically differing vibhagaihi, divisions only, aham, myself, that is Lord Krishna, chaturaha varnan srushtavan, I have created the 4 varnas. Chaturaha varnan, here chatur shabda is dvitiya bahuvachana, that is why I have made a note here, that chaturaha is not akaranta pullinga chaturaha, prathama ekavachana, it is chatur shabda, refanta, we can now show them. This is important. Chatvaraha. So because chatur shabda is nitya bahuvachananta, there cannot be ekavachana, dvivachana for this, Srinivas. So chatvaraha is in pullinga, chatasraha is in strilinga, chatvari is in napumsakalinga in prathama. Then dvitiya,
chaturaha, chatasraha, chatvari.
Same thing. Trutiya, chatasrubihi, chaturbihi. Now in pullinga and napumsaka from trutiya there won't be any difference. Pullinga, chaturbihi, chatasrubihi, strilinge, napumsake, chaturbihi eva. Chaturti, chaturbhyaha, chatasrubhyaha, chaturbhyaha, same. Panchami, chaturbhyaha, Shashti, chatasrunam, chaturnam again. Chaturshu, chaturshu vedeshu. Iti vadamaha. Na tu chatasrushu vedeshu yeti यदि अहम वदामि तर्हि अहम चतुर्शब्दं न जानामि इति तत्र सुस्पष्टं भवति. सो चतुरः is the bahuvachana of dvitiyanta. Chaturaha. Chaturaha, dvitiya, that is to be noted here. So aham chaturaha varnan srushtavan. I have created the 4 varnas. Categories, you can say. Varna is a category. Yes.
Evamcha विषमस्वभावस्य तस्य चातुर्वर्णस्य व्यवहारदृष्ट्या कर्तारमपि मां भगवन्तं परमार्थदृष्ट्या फलश्रम नाशादिरहितम् असंसारिणम्
अकर्तारं जानीहि. Evam cha, this being the case, Vishama Svabhavasya Tasya Chaturvarnasya. This Chaturvarnya concept is Vishama, is not any, with variety it is there. Vishama, difficult to understand. Vyavahara Drushtya, from a practical point of view, Kartaram api mam, even though I am from the practical, from the empirical, practical means empirical point of view, I am the doer, I am the maker, I am the creator of this Chaturvarnya. Paramartha Drushtya, from a realistic point of view, phala shramanashadi rahitam, phala shramanashadi rahitam asamsarinam, aham na samsari, tatra vasudevah krishnah na samsari. Sa yada krishnah etam gitam udbodhayati arjunaya, sa samanyah krishnah na, sa swayam bhagavan eva. Phalashrama nashadi rahitam asamsarinam. Therefore, I am asamsari. I am not a worldly man. And I do not have this phalashrama, any fruits coming into. I do not have any result attached to me. Akartaram. And at the same time, from a realistic point of view, from the point of Paramartha Drushtya, aham akartaram. I am also non-doer. Now, this is a very big concept, which you must have already studied in Gita class with the commentaries. That God, he says that I have created, but at the same time I am not the creator. That means his law, divine law has done that, where the God has no role to play. But he has to finally take the authorship. Maya Srishtam, when he says, yes, I created. But at the same time, I am not the creator. Don't allege me for creating such a variety. Oh, you are impartial. Why did you create 4 varnas and creating so many? You made 4. We Indians have made 4,000. So that is not my job. So I am a karta also, he says.
Through creating power Maya.
Yeah, through his own creative power. He has done it. And therefore he is making his position very clear. I have not done it. I am the author, at the same time I am not the author. It is like a Upanishadic saying, Tadejati, Tannejati. That supreme thing walks, it doesn't walk. Tad dure tadantikecha sarvasya. That is very far off, that is very. Same statement here. I am the creator, at the same time I am not the creator. So Upanishadic language is that. That means he is both. We cannot say God is far away, always far away. No, he is also very near. He can be very near. If you say that no, God cannot be near, then you are limiting, you are putting your limitation to God. That is why Upanishad says he is far away, he is near. He is sukshma, he is like Parvata. So that the beautiful language of the Upanishad. Next, Maya Karyasya Aropat.
Ishvaraha karteva bhasate vastutastu saha akarta abhokta avinashi cheti bhasate.
So that is what the Bhavat explains here. Maya Karyasya Ishware. Ishvara is the Maya Karyasya. Maya is the Karya, effect of Ishvara. Ishvarasya Shaktihi Moha Maya Nasati Nasati. That we have referred several times. So Maya Karyasya Ishware Aropat. So by doing the Aropa, alleging that this creation, Maya Karyasya, Maya is the outcome of, because of Ishvara, if you say that, Ishvaraha karteva bhasate. Ishvara looks like a karta. If you think that Maya is the agent of Lord God, then Ishvara looks as the doer. Vastutastu, but in reality, Saha akarta, he is the not doer, he is not the author. Abhokta, he is not the enjoyer. Avinashi, he is not he is immutable, indestructible. Cha iti bhava, that is to be understood. So although there is an authorship, at the same time he is not the doer. There is something else on his behalf that is doing. Okay, here the commentary we won't read. Avabodha Abhyasa. Dattani Vakyani Uttarayatu. Okay. Yadi Bhagavati Bheda Drushtihi Nasti. If God has no outlook, vision for a difference, differentiating outlook, tarihi then upasakeshu uttama madhyamadi bhedaha katam. Then how is that among the worshippers there is a uttama upasaka, madhyama upasaka and adhama upasaka, you see. I would answer this Maya krutaha bhedaha. That's all. Vedaha asti chet sa maya krutaha eva. Maya krutaha. Or bhedaha sapekshaha vartati. It is very much subject to Vedaha maya krutaha bhedaha bhakteshu sapekshaha. It is subject to condition. That is, we can say many things here. Now let the readers decide what they want to write. Next question, Srinivas. Sattvadi gunaha ke santi. That you know. Sattva, rajaha, tamaha. Tamo gunaha. Trayaha gunaha santi. कर्म विभागस्य कः अभिप्रायः? कर्म विभागस्य कः अभिप्रायः? What is the abhipraya of karma? Division of karma. What do we want to understand? Because of karma, there is a vaividhya seen in the variety seen in the loka. Karma vibhagasya drushtya loke vaividhyam drishyati. Isn't it? Vaividhyam is there. Somebody is karmajam loka vaichitriam. Some Purana says karmajam loka vaichitriam. The variety of the people is because of their karmas. Why some fellow is suffering and why some person is having no legs, somebody is not having eyes, somebody is not having something, etc. Why all human beings are not the same? Nobody can explain. No scientist can explain why all human beings are not the same. But we have to understand, we are given to understand karmajam loka vaichit. So everybody is different because of his karma. And karma is not the present karma, it is coming from the many births. So karma vibhagasya kaha abhipraya means that is the abhipraya. Vaichitriam, loka vaichitriam eva karma vibhagasya karanam bhavati. Chatvaraha varnaha ke santi. Again why this? Okay, gunas and varnas. Chatvaraha varnaha brahmana, kshatriya, vaishya, sudraha iti chatvaraha varnaha santi. चतुर्नाम वर्णानाम कर्ता कहा? चतुर्नाम वर्णानाम कर्ता वस्तुतः वास्तविक कर्ता अवास्तविक कर्ता च स्वयं श्री कृष्ण भगवान. ईश्वरः कर्ता सन अकर्ता कथम भवति? No. If the God is the author, how is he not the author? That last sentence you have to explain. How do you write this? Vyavahara drushtya.
Maya karyasya ishvare.
No, not that much. Vyavahara drushtya ishvaraha karta asi.
Vastutah.
Vastutah. Paramartha drushtya tu sa akarta. Kartuhu ishvarasya iha kati visheshanani. So how many adjectives are used here to Ishvara, the doer? I think only two. Vidhi akartaram avyayam, that's all. Dve visheshana pade upayukte atra.
Kartaram, akartaram,
avyayam. Three akartara cha, one more is there. Kartaram akartaram avyayam iti trini visheshana padani. Avadeyam. What is to be noted? Asakti. When attachment is there, kartrutva bhava udhiti. When there is attachment, then the question of authorship arises. Kartrutva bhavaha udeti. When does the question of authorship, ownership comes? When you have attachment, asakti. If one does not have attachment to the work or to whatever he is doing, then there is no kartrutva bhava, then there is no. No, this is there. This is the reason why I must have told you why it is very difficult to decide the age and to get the information about Sanskrit scholars, Sanskrit poets, even of Kalidasa. All things have to be worked out, reading their books, what place they must have been born in. Like nobody knows exactly even till this day where was Kalidasa born. Whether he was a resident of Madhya Pradesh or whether he was a Kashmiri, nobody knows. People only guess from his works. Meghaduta they read Shakuntala, they read other works of Kalidasa, and they come to say he must have been, because he describes so detailed some places, so he is called. So Kalidasa never wrote about himself. Great people in our culture never speak about them because akartrutva bhava they don't want. I have done it, no. Something is happening through me. I am not the doer, they know it. When I am not the doer, why should I talk about me? So that is Sanskritic culture. So that is why we have very Vyasa information is not, Kalidasa remote, Valmiki, we have so many stories about Valmiki. Where is the correct assessment of their place and birth? No. So that is Asakti Sattve, when there is attachment, Kartrutva Bhavaha Udeti. The authorship, egoism arises when you have attachment. Na anyatha, otherwise there is no. So that is what? Vyakaranamsha, Abhyasa, Sandhi. So break the sandhis. One is done for you. Yatha Vidhyakartaram, Vidhi Akartaram, Yanadisha Sandhi. Vidhyakartaram. Dehya, what is that next word? Dehyamrutam Vachaha. Amrutam Vachaha. Yanadisha Sandhi. Karmanyarabhati Janaha. Sorry, Karmani. Karmanyarabhati Janaha. Karmani plus Arabhati. Again Yanadisha Sandhi. Madhvanayatu. Madhu plus anayatu. Yanadesha Sandhi. Madhvanayatu. Madhu anayatu. Bring honey. Bring the honey. Prutukam Guruvaharam. Guruvaharam. Guru plus, there are one sandhi only, Guru plus Aharam. Oh, sorry, Aharam. Guru Aharam. Guru plus Aharam. Prutukam is flattened rice. Atukulu. So, Prutukam Guru Aharam. So, flattened rice itself is a very heavy meal. Understand? Guru Aharam, Guru Aharam. Next. Santyatra Suhrudaha Naraha. Atra. Santyatra. Again Yanadisha. So Sarve Tatra Sarvani Udaharanani Yanadisha Sandhe. Vigalatyayuhu Shanaihi Shanaihi. Vigalati Ayuhu Shanaihi. Slowly the age, our age dissolves, escapes. Ayur Nashyati Pashyatam. There is one sloka. Ayur Nashyati Pashyatam. See how age slipping. Every moment by Kshanashaha Ayuhu Nashyati. See, if I am 60 years old, my 60 years are dead, over. Na? What is left? If somebody is 20 years, his 20 years are gone. So that is Vigalati Ayuhu Shanai Shanai. Akar. Samasa Tadita Pratyayasya. Chaturvarnyam. Read Srinivas. Chaturvarna. Plus Shai. The affix Shai denotes Chaturvarnyam. Swarte Shai. So Swarte means in the same identical meaning we use this. Chaturvarna, Chaturvarnya both are same. Chaturashramyam. Chaturashramyam. Chaturashrama. Shai Chaturashramyam. Similarly, Chaturvarnyam like Chaturashramyam. that is brahmacharya, grihastha, vanaprastha and sannyasa. What is that? Mangalyam. Oh, Chaturdhamyam. Dhamani eva Chaturdhamam Shain. Chatvari Dhamani eva Chaturdhamam. Then again Chaturdhamam. Like Chaturdham, the famous nowadays advertisement. Chaturdham. What is that? 4 Rishikesh. Yeah, Chaturdham. So, originally something is there, but these people have made it. Mangalyam.
Mangala plus
Shain. Bhavarte. In abstract sense, Shain again. Mangalyam. Mangalasya bhavaha Mangalyam. Audaryam. Udara plus Shain. Bhave arte. Audaryam. Auchityam. Uchita Shain. Propriety, auchityam, audaryam, magnanimity, mangalyam, you know the meaning, simple. Guna karma vibhagashaha, again some exposition is here. Gunascha karma anicha iti guna karma, dvandve ekavad bhavaha. So it is a variety of dvanda, ekavad bhava. So guna karma, it becomes. Guna iti tat purusha. कारका शस प्रत्यय सो गुणकर्म विभागैः इति गुणकर्म विभागशः that शस we studied in the previous so तृतीयांतात् करण कारणात् शस प्रत्यय गुणकर्म विभाग शस अव्ययम so finally this whole compound word is an अव्यय गुणकर्म विभागशः is an अव्यय treated but the exposition is like this खंडशः शस प्रस्थशः शः शतशः सहस्रशः कोटिशः everywhere this avyas kriya karaka sambandha srustam you know that sruja dhatu is there sruja srujati srujatah srujanti sruja plus tanta karmani tantam kriya maya chaturvarnyam karma guna karma vibhagashah karana karana bodhakam it is an indication of instrumental and karana causal also vidhi avagacha kartari kriya we have already shown it through the note mam karma kartaram akartaram karma visheshanam avyayam karma tasya yeah tasya is although it is a sarvanama shabda sambandha bodhaka paryaya shabda avinashi nasharahitam विशेषण नित्यः अक्षीणः सो एवं रूपेण अस्माकं षष्ठः श्लोकः सुसम्पन्नः जातः इदानीम् अन्यः श्लोकः सप्तमः श्लोकः अस्मिन् संग्रहे भगवद्गीता संग्रहे वस्तुतस्तु चतुर्दशमः श्लोकः गीतायां this is the 14th poem in the Gita but here 7th poem you can read Srinivas
namam karmani limpanti name karma phale spruha iti
mam yo vijanati karma bhirna sabadhyate so again Lord says like this na mam karmani limpanti na me karma phale spruha इति माम यह अभिजानाति कर्मभिः न स बध्यते सो जन्म कर्म च मे दिव्यम एवं यो वेत्ति तत्वतः त्यक्त्वा देहं पुनर्जन्म नैति मामेति सो अर्जुन already is told and further is Padacheda Abhyasa.
Na mam.
No, that I have done, I think. Okay, you can read. Karmani limpanti na me
karma phale spruha iti mam yaha abhijanati karmavihi na saha badhyate.
Padacheda. Karma phale. What is there? Karma phale. Okay. यो अभिजानाति यह कर्मभिर्न स बध्यति सह बध्यति पदपरिचयं न अव्ययं माम कर्माणि लिम्पन्ति लिम्पति लिम्पतः लिम्पन्ति. Lepanam comes from this, lepanam, to anoint, to dab, pasting. Yeah. Lepanam is dabbing the body with that. Na avyayam me karva pale, sorry, spruha akara iti avyayam mam yaha अभिजानाति जानाति जानीतः जानन्ति एक्सेट्रा. कर्म भीहि कर्मन शब्द न कर्म कर्म कर्मणि कर्माणि कर्म कर्मणि कर्माणि कर्मणा कर्मभ्यां कर्म भीहि इति तृतीय बहुवचनं. न अव्ययं सः बध्यति बन्ध बंध बंधने बध्नाति बध्नीतः बध्नन्ति एक्सेट्रा. दिस इज कर्मणि प्रयोग. ओके. वर्गीकरण अभ्यास. अधश्लोकस्थानि पदानि वर्गशः संयोजयन्तु. प्रथमान्तं चत्वारि पदानि. फर्स्ट केस 4 वर्ड्स. फर्स्ट वर्ड कर्माणि स्पृहा यह सह. कर्माणि स्पृहा यह सह इति एतानि चत्वारि प्रथमान्तपदानि. द्वितीयान्तपदं पदानि द्वे. यस. अगेन माम आई थिंक. नो, 2 माम्स आर देयर. द्वितीयांत. फर्स्ट लाइन माम, सेकंड लाइन माम. नमाम इति माम. Isn't it? 2 moms, Srinivas. Tritiyantam. If I say mom, then it sounds like English mom. Tritiyantam ekam padam. Karma bhihi. Shastyantam ekam padam. Me. Saptamyantam ekam padam. कर्म फले अव्ययानि चत्वारि. न इति न इति. हाउ मेनी 4? न इति. न इज देयर. ना लास्ट वर्ड कर्मभिर्न. न इति न इति चत्वारि पदानि अव्ययानि. सर्वनाम पदानि 5. पदानि सर्वनाम. माम ओपनिंग माम, मे अगेन माम, क्षम्यतां, सॉरी. सो माम मे माम यः सः इति 5 पदानि सन्ति सर्वनाम पदानि. नपुंसकलिंग पदानि 3. कर्माणि कर्मफले इति द्वितीयं. कर्मभिः इति तृतीयं. कर्म शब्द इज नपुंसक. कर्माणि कर्मफले फल शब्द इज नपुंसक. कर्मभिः इति तृतीयं. सो ओवर. आकांक्षा विस्तर. लिम्पन्ति आसज्जन्ति बध्नन्ति बध्नाति बध्नीतः बध्नन्ति bind लिम्पन्ति means bind or they attach. न लिम्पन्ति do not cling what is there cling न लिम्पन्ति don't cling don't adhere cling attach. कानि न लिम्पन्ति what do not cling or attach. कर्माणि कर्माणि न लिम्पन्ति don't cling or attach. कर्माणि कम न लिम्पन्ति whom do the karmas not cling or attach. सर्वनाम शब्द दकारांत अस्मत् शब्द माम. So कर्माणि माम न लिम्पन्ति. Actions do not bind me or attach me, cling me. न अस्ति there isn't. किम न अस्ति what is not there. स्पृहा desire. कस्य स्पृहा नास्ति स्पृहा of what is not there. कस्य स्पृहा नास्ति दकारांत षष्ठी एकवचने हाँ मे या मे स्पृहा नास्ति. कुत्र मे स्पृहा नास्ति अकारांत कर्मफले that is very clear. अभिजानाति now verb is to be analyzed here. अभि इति उपसर्गः ज्ञा इति धातुः अभिजानाति अनुव्यवस्यति निश्चिनोति. It also means that decides upon, knows, etc. Recognizes. Abhijanati also means recognizing, knowing. Kaha abhijanati, who recognizes, who knows. Yeah. Pullinga pratama eka sarvanama shabda. Abhijanati also means vetti, Srinivas, vidadatu, vetti. Evam yo vetti tattvataha. So many places. Yaha kam abhijanati, who knows what? Recognizes what? Eka. Dakaranta dvitiya mam. Yaha mam abhijanati. Okay, come you delete. Yaha kena rupena mam abhijanati. Who knows me by what form? Avyayam. Avyayam 3 number is given. 3 avyayas or what? This clue is something, I don't know, avyayam, 3 avyayas. Third avyaya means to say here. Na, iti. Is it? Yaha iti mama. See the clue given here is, third here avyaya number refers to the third avyaya used in the text. So, yaha iti mam abhijanati, who knows me like this. Then, iti yaha mam abhijanati saha kim bhavati, the one who knows me like this, recognizes me, what does he become? Fourth avyaya. Na bhavati, karmani kriya. Avyayam and also karmani kriya. No, then you have to attach something. Karma, saha na badhyate, Srinivas. Saha na badhyate. Got it? Yes. Iti yaha mam abhijanati saha karmani, saha na badhyate. Karmani kriya is na badhyate. Saha kaihi na badhyate. Karma bihi na badhyate. अत्र वयं स्थापयामः अन्वयार्थ पर्यन्तम् आगतवन्तः शुभं भूयात्